Assalamu alaikum, grade 4. How are you all? I hope you are enjoying your vacations and doing great. So class, I am your SST's teacher, Miss Tadeep, and we will you all know that we were reading about our country, and we read in the last lecture about Sindhi culture, Sindhi people, Sindhi language and Sindhi traditions. Now we will read today about the Balochistan. You will all read with me so that it will be very clear to you all the points. Okay, we will start reading from here. Balochistan. The capital of Balochistan is Quetta, which is also its largest city. So this is very important point, that capital of Balochistan is Quetta and its largest city. It has an extremely dry desert climate. There is very little vegetation, like vegetables do not grow there. However, fruit trees like apples, peaches, grapes, cherry, almonds, pomegranates and plums grow very well in some areas. Juniper, alpine and coniferous forest grow here. So the fruits grow there very well, and some forests are also there. It has vast natural resources, especially natural gas, which is supplied to the rest of the country. Do you know about the sui gas, that is called the natural gas, that was developed or came into existence at the place called Sui in Balochistan? That is why it is called sui gas. The newly developed Gwadar port, which is significant part of China Pakistan economic corridor CPEC in the south of Balochistan. You all know about the CPEC. You all must have listened about the CPEC in the news, or someone talking about that. So that is the newly developed Gwadar port, that is very important for Pakistan and China, and it is in the south of Balochistan. Quaid-e-Azam spent the last days of his life in his residence in Ziyarat. You all must have seen the residency of Quaid-e-Azam, that is in Ziyarat. Balochistan Shrine of Baba Kharwari is also in Ziyarat. So the Baba Kharwari shrine is also in Ziyarat. The people speak many languages including Balochi, Pashto, Brahvi and Persian. Their traditional cuisine is saji. Saji is a dish made of meat. The Sibbi Mela, a livestock fair, is held each year in Sibbi, in which animals are displayed. People from all over Pakistan visit this fair. The traditional dances are Chap, Leva and Jhumar. The traditional sports are chalk, G and horse racing. The men wear loose kameez and baggy shalwars with turbans. Turbans are the caps made of clothes, and men wear on their head, while the women wear embroidered frock type shirts, shalwars and chadars. So you must read this all the important places in Balochistan, that you can clear your point. Now what we will do, we will move on the next page, page 16, and here is given the fact file of Pakistan. You all must learn this, okay class? And next there is they have given the complete your fact file on Pakistan by adding the names of the provinces and provisional capitals. You all have to name the each province, write of the name of each province here in a list, and then the capital of those provinces. So this is your task you have to do at home, and you have read about this in the chapter, so you must learn this too, okay class? Then we will start the next topic, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and then we will move to the work page in the next lecture, and we will complete this chapter inshallah. So you must have learned this, and you must learn the important facts of Balochistan, so that it will become very easy for you to learn the whole chapter and important points of the Pakistan. So I hope you all will follow my instructions and do the work at home, and till then take care. Allah Hafiz, and best of luck for your studies. Allah Hafiz.